Hi there, meet the STACK5 Multifunctional Grill, designed to make cooking easier and more versatile. This grill features a removable non-stick grill plate perfect for grilling your favorite foods evenly. It also includes a removable 5-quart non-stick deep pan ideal for slow cooking, baking, browning, sautéing, steaming, and griddling. You'll find a removable stainless steel rack that's great for steaming vegetables and seafood. The removable lid helps to lock in flavors and heat for better cooking results. Plus, the dialed temperature control with preset settings lets you cook with precision every time. Whether you're grilling, slow cooking, or steaming, the STACK5 makes every meal delicious and simple. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.